welcome back to my channel. I am finally doing this video. इस वीडियो का इंतज़ार मैं इतने टाइम से कर रही थी एंड लास्ट वीक आई थिंक थर्सडे फ्राइडे को मेरे सारे पैकेजेस आ गए आफ्टर लाइक आई थिंक अराउंड 10 days and finally I got my packages from TIRA. I have 3 of these dabbas. So many of you were like, give us a proper review of your shopping experience rather than just showing us the products before you spend your money. Of course I understand that. I will link the products and I will also tag the products so you can buy जहाँ से भी आपका मन हो. What the app looks like. And you can see यहाँ पे categories वगैरह है, their best selling products and all of that. And one thing that was very eye catching is that they have a lot of like Korean brands, Chinese brands and all of that जो बाकी I don't think easily available होता है. लिमेस पे आपको थोड़े बहुत products मिल जाएंगे but आपको सारे नहीं मिलेंगे. Coming back to TIRA, they have like a huge variety of like so many brands. मैंने सारे discover भी नहीं किए हैं because I did not want to go into that rabbit hole and burn a hole in my pocket, you know. Now the biggest thing is that everything was just out of stock. like बहुत मुश्किल से मुझे कुछ चीज़ें मिली है जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. But I do enjoy that they have a lot of variety of products, but they may not have like all the inventory of the products. I think they're still like listing those products. The perfume section is actually very lit. Like they have a lot of fragrances जो easily available नहीं होते, मतलब आपको काउंटर में जाके खरीदना पड़ता है. So that is pretty good. And the last thing that I want to talk about is the delivery. Okay, I was very irritated with this क्योंकि मेरा पहला order 7 days में आया and then मेरा second order like I kept on getting messages that your order is delayed. It took like about 10 days and I think that is just a lot. At the same time I believe that they're working on this and maybe like धीरे धीरे their delivery system will also get better and you know it will not take so much time. I am giving them a benefit of doubt because it's new, right? So like I believe that improvements होते रहेंगे. मुझे अपने first order पे 700 रुपीज़ ऑफ मिला एंड सेकेंड पे 500 रुपीज़ ऑफ मिला. ये तो बहुत क्रेजी सेल थी वहाँ पे. मैंने कुछ भी आई थिंक MRP पे नहीं खरीदा. एवरीथिंग वॉज ऑन सेल, सो दिस वॉज अ गुड टाइम टू शॉप. सो द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई पिक्ड वॉज दिस. दिस इज बाय अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड milkshake if I'm not wrong. So मुझे मेरे hair stylist ने by the way yeah, new hair. I don't know if my hair vlog will go before or after this but yeah, I am back to brown. मुझे एक leave-in conditioner चाहिए था. So this is for all hair types. It has milk, protein, honey and fruit extracts. And मैंने इसके कुछ वीडियोस वगैरह देखे and because I was like so intrigued with like the bottle and just like the name milkshake and everything and I read like the description and all of that, so I was like कि ले लेते हैं एक बार, ट्राई करते हैं because it also comes in a lot of quantity. This was for around 1000 rupees जब मैंने खरीदा था. आप लिंक्स में जाके सारे प्राइसेस चेक कर लेना. इसको मैंने 2 बार यूज़ किया है. You guys can see कि थोड़ा सा मैंने यहाँ पे यूज़ किया है and I did notice that it made my hair less dry like afterwards and frizz में थोड़ा सा मैंने डिफरेंस देखा था. So I think it works. Although I did not religiously use this, but every time I remember to use it, I do use it. Also this smells like milk only. Not me using this as a perfume. This smells like milk and honey. It makes your hair smell like a baby for some reason. You know वो baby से एक typical smell नहीं आती formula की, वैसे टाइप की इसकी smell है. It's not bad, like I don't mind. मुझे actually Cerelac की smell बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. Even to this date, like sometimes I crave Cerelac. That is such a weird thing to just like you know randomly say in a beauty video. But yeah, you get 350 milliliters. Like this is a lot of product. I know this is going to last me a lifetime. I'll keep you guys updated if it miraculously changes my hair or it completely destroys it. Okay, next product is by Kiro. Now this product I did not get from TIRA. They do have Kiro but उनके पास अभी ये product नहीं है. But I still wanted to show this in this video itself because it's a beauty haul, so it fits. So this is their PH Play Lip and Cheek Oil and this is what it looks like. It has such a cute packaging. It has rosehip oil, it has moringa oil, it also has avocado oil. Guys, I love this so much and I'm not just saying this because this is sponsored, but this is literally in my rotation drawer and you know what it means. Like if something is in my rotation drawer, that means I love it. I use this like every single day. It's a pH adaptive tint, so it just matches your pH level and उसके हिसाब से आपके lips एंड चीक्स टिंट हो जाएंगे ना। आई अप्लाई अ वेरी लाइट लेयर बिकॉज वरना वो बहुत डार्क पिंक हो जाता है, बट इफ यू वांट अ डार्कर टिंट यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई मोर एंड इट विल गिव यू दैट लुक. It gives you that dewy, glazed, luscious, glossy lips. It's a non-sticky formula and it looks so pretty, you guys. It really is super hydrating and that is what I love because I have chapped lips, like you know, that's like a chronic problem in my life, and because it's long lasting so I don't need to like touch it up again and again. And इसका वो जो tint है ना वो भी transfer नहीं करता है, which is amazing, and it just leaves a very nice tint on your lips and on your cheeks. It's just a super easy and comfortable products, especially for your no makeup looks. I really do love their lip products. I think they really nail the formula, so मुझे काफी ज्यादा पसंद आया ये भी, एंड इसका लिंक भी मैं नीचे डाल दूंगी एंड यू कैन चेक इट आउट फॉर योरसेल्व्स. ओके, सो आई गॉट द मिनिमलिस्ट मैलिक बॉन्ड रिपेयर कॉम्प्लेक्स शैम्पू एंड आई ऑल्सो गॉट द कंडीशनर. मेरे पास इनका वो हेयर सिरम ऑलरेडी है. व्हेन आई वॉश माई हेयर विद द शैम्पू मेरे बाल बहुत ड्राई हो गए थे, बट मैंने जब कंडीशनर लगाया उसके बाद वो ठीक हो गया, thankfully. So I don't know how this works, to be honest. This says that it has amino acids, vitamin B5 and ceramides, and it repairs and prevents hair damage. But yeah, I want to try it more and see कि क्या magical results होते हैं. The next thing I got is from Etude house and this is their lip and eye remover. This is what it looks like. I needed something for traveling. I don't have anything for travel. मेरे पास सारे ना बहुत ही ह्यूज बॉटल्स ऑफ मेकअप रिमूवर है एंड दैट्स सो इनकन्वीनियंट टू कैरी विद यू. सो या दैट इज व्हाई आई गॉट इट. मैंने इसको अभी तक यूज़ नहीं किया है बट इसके तो रिव्यूज़ काफ़ी अच्छे थे. एट्यूड हाउस के प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे ही होते हैं. दिस इज ओरिजिनली फॉर 450 बट आई डिड नॉट गेट इट फॉर 450 ऑब्वियसली. इफ यू गाइज हैव ट्राइड दिस आउट लेट मी नो. ऑल्सो एट्यूड हाउस इज सो एक्सपेंसिव. लाइक आई डिड नॉट नो इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव. मुझे लगा था लाइक मिड रेंज में होगा बट उनके सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा महंगे थे एंड सो इज लाइक पेरीपेरा. लाइक दे आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव कोरियन ब्रांड्स. सो आई पिक्ड लाइक द चीपेस्ट थिंग बट ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट आई रियली नीडेड. Okay, I got this. I had bought this पहले भी. So this is a kohl from PAC and this is in the shade coffee brown. मेरा पुराना वाला खो गया. Like I keep on losing things. It's so annoying, but anyway, this is what it looks like. It's almost black, but it's like that espresso brown, which I really like, and I think it's going to complement my eyes also. I need a brown eyeliner also. Do you guys know like liquid eyeliner में brown है कि नहीं? अगर आपके पास कोई recommendations है मुझे बताना. It also comes with a smudger and it's pretty good. I am very impressed with the quality and also it lasts very long on the waterline, does not smudge or anything. And I enjoy it a lot. So yeah, this is the next thing that I got. अच्छा, मैं अभी ऐप पे चेक कर रही हूँ. So अभी ना दे आर गिविंग 500 ऑफ एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज द कोड, वहीं पे मेंशन्ड है. सो या यू कैन स्टिल गेट सम मनी ऑफ. 500 भी काफ़ी होता है. आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम रोमैंड. द फर्स्ट वन इज दिस इज ए कॉन्टोर. इसमें सब कुछ कोरियन में लिखा हुआ है. वाह. सो एनीवे, सो दिस इज द रोमैंड कॉन्टोर पाउडर एंड दिस इज इन शेड नंबर 1 एंड this is what it looks like. Light, dark. Basically what you have to do is आपको ब्रश लेके ना swirl करना है. If you want like a darker effect आपको ऐसे जाना है clockwise, and if you want like बहुत ही light and if you're super fair then you go anti-clockwise. And I've been looking for a nice contour product जो बहुत dark ना हो, and this is what I've been using. This is what I used today also. Now Koreans call it shading, they don't call it contour, and this is one of their most popular shading products. I really wanted to try this and I do like it. It blends in very easily and it does create a very light shadow. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, it creates a very light shadow. It's almost like you're not wearing any makeup, and I think that's like your typical Korean makeup in general ki like even if you apply layers and less it should not look like you're wearing makeup. ये बहुत अच्छा है. इसको ऐसे टैप करके मैं ब्रश से लगाती हूँ, so just gives me a nice, you know, थोड़ा सा shadow हो जाता है. It looks very pretty. Next I got their eyeshadow palette and this is what it looks like, and this is in the shade Dusty Fog Garden, and this is a cool toned eyeshadow palette. So सारे कूल टोन है. ये तो तीनों सेम ही लग रहे हैं. Okay, so I wanted a cool tone palette and that is why I got this. इसी से मैंने आज अपना आई मेकअप किया है and I liked it to be honest, but I did not love it. And now that I'm looking at it, ये जो 3 ग्रे शेड्स है, I'm just like what am I gonna do with this. I do like ये जो सारे शेड्स है ना, Actually, I like the first row and I like these two shades. That is why that was the primary reason why I got it. Now the eyeshadows are also pretty decently pigmented. वो सब ठीक है, but it's a little patchy. Now I don't know if it's patchy because it's a cool toned eyeshadow palette, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Now this is not for everyone, and they do have a warm undertone palette जो सारे matte eyeshadows है, and actually इनके range के सारे जो eyeshadow palettes है ना with shimmers and all of that, I've heard that those are amazing. Okay, I got a blush from Etude house. This is in the shade Lovely Cookie Blusher. This is for 550 rupees. I'm shocked. मैंने 550 का तो नहीं खरीदा because इसकी packaging is very cheap. Like, I'm not gonna lie, look at this packaging. Does it not look very cheap? But I bought this because of this puff. मैंने इसके reviews देखे थे and they were applying this with the puff. I got this shade because I actually don't have any blush of this shade. It's a muted peach tone. It actually has shimmer in it. What is going on with this blush? मैंने इसे ट्राई किया था and I did not really like the applicator. I don't like the packaging but I do like the product. And the last two products are lip tints from Rom&nd. इन्हीं के लिए मैं वेट कर रही थी. मेरे पास एक्चुअली दूसरे भी tints है. Let me know if you guys want me to do a Rom&nd like lip tint swatch video or something like that. Okay, let's talk about the first shade, and this is Vintage Taupe again. Yes, number 23. इसका packaging थोड़ा अलग सा है, like it's grainy. But the shade is so beautiful. This is what I'm wearing today. The key element here is don't buy anything by looking at the swatches of these products on the website, because those are extremely whitewashed and the colors are not what they look like on those swatches. So this is the shade. It's a very reddish brown color. Now I do really like the color, but in the swatch on the website it was like a very dark brown espresso type of shade. I was like कि whatever the color is, अगर वो brown family में है, I can make use of it. This formula has a blurring effect. It's very moussey but it is a little bit drying. थोड़ा lip balm लगा के इसको लगा लेती हूँ तो चलता है काम. Then I got this shade and इसका packaging अलग है. This is what it looks like. So this is the Zero Velvet tint. Okay, this is in the shade 18 Petal Tassel because it's a pink. It's a cool toned pink. This is what it looks like. I have been looking for a shade like this for so long. It actually looks very nice on the lips as well, and इनका formula same है. So yeah, I really enjoy using this as well. Okay, I was just checking if I'm missing out on something. They do have return का option, which is great, and it is returnable within 15 days, and that is pretty much my shopping experience on TIRA. Let me know what you guys think and let me know if I'm missing out on something. कुछ extra information है तो मुझे ज़रूर बताना comments में, and let me know if you have shopped from TIRA and what was your experience. I will link all the products, tag all the products, and don't forget to check out Kiro ka lip oil, especially if you have Annabelle chapped lips like me. And yeah, that is about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I finally filmed this video. I am so happy right now. मैं बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रही थी अपने पैकेजेस का. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.